Hello and welcome back to another video on daily weather charts. These videos look into the current weather pattern and discuss how it will play out for the upcoming day. Today's charts are valid on June 8th, 2023. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe and we'll get started. Beginning with the water vapor imagery, today we continue to have two big swirls on opposite ends of the country. This swirl in the eastern US over here is responsible for bringing smoky and hazy conditions for parts of the Northeast and Atlantic seaboard. And we can see how that looks on satellite imagery. And we see the reds and oranges from the Great Lakes to the northeastern U.S. to parts of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New York. That is where the smoke that's coming from Canada you can see on satellite. This will continue to be the case for at least the next day or so until this upper level low pushes out. Radar this evening shows scattered showers and storms across the Rockies and western high plains and stretching through the southeastern U.S. along a frontal boundary that's going to be pushing through. So looking at 300 millibars, we are looking for the jet stream. Mainly it is located from the Great Lakes up into the mid-Atlantic region, and that is helping to increase the divergence aloft from Virginia down into South Carolina. And then switching to 500 millibars, we see the upper level low that's centered over Maine, over here. And this is helping to funnel the smoke from Canadian wildfires down into the northeastern US. So the smoke is going up into the atmosphere and is getting transported by these winds up here, and it is funneling the smoke from the wildfires over in Canada down into the northeastern U.S. I'm sure you've probably seen the images on social media. It looks pretty apocalyptic. Hopefully, as this low pushes out, conditions should improve as we head into the weekend. Switching to 700 millibars, down below, there is a subtle short wave. Here you can kind of make it out over the eastern Ohio Valley, and that is helping to enhance the lift along the frontal boundary to develop showers and storms that's going to be pushing south. Looking at 850 millibars, we have weak flow that is present through most of the country overnight, and for the moment, we don't see any strong mass response that's expected. And now, finishing off this video on the surface, the main thing to point out here is going to be this frontal boundary, this cold front that's pushing south, and that's going to be heading towards the Gulf of Mexico. And that is that's what's basically developing those showers and storms you see on radar not too long ago. And we don't have any major pressure systems on the surface, but we do have a weak surface low that is over the Dakotas. And that's going to cover it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.